How to train your AGI agent in the Autonomous Driving Agent Gym. Log into the Hyperdesk and access the DAP Hub. Enter the Autonomous Driving Agent Gym. Pay gas fees to access the network. Pre-training setup. Set the iteration steps of the trainer, etc. Setting the trainer training parameters. Set the trainer game parameters. Setting the critic parameters. Start a new training task. Training objectives. Train the AI car to stay within the boundaries. Avoid collisions and flipping. Complete the course at a relatively fast speed. You can stop the training. If you need to continue training with previous data, make sure you are on the same server. After the training is completed, you can mint the AI model on the blockchain. You can cast one or more. Upload cover images for AI models. Fill in the name and description. After casting is completed, select the AI model. Select and perform evaluations. Press the keyer. 3-person perspective evaluation. Drive the car. First-person perspective evaluation.